or recruitment. But once you are there, that is not good enough. Then he will have it for you, he or she, whosoever you are working for. आइए भाई, let's have a discussion. And this is your, the duty responsibility chart. पहले आ जाता है, पहले बना के रखते हैं, पहले भी आपके वहाँ पे एग्जीक्यूटिव काम कर रहे हैं. Even if it's a new company, still they have something, otherwise it cannot work. So then the process of accountability starts. That means you have to now see your charter, responsibility area, and then you have to see what I have. If you need some assistance, you will tell, I need this, to start working for this. Because if you don't tell them, then probably they think you don't need anything. So what I was trying to make you know, that be clear. Whatever you do in management, clarity of communication, clarity of what you are supposed to do, clarity whether I am doing it right as they expect. Clear? तो क्या जब चार्टर मिलेगा तो क्या उसमें देखेंगे आप? जैसे रिस्पॉन्सिबिलिटी क्या क्या होंगी? लेट्स गो इनटू द फ्यूचर. क्या एक जैसे बोलिए ना, क्या रिस्पॉन्सिबिलिटी होगी? नहीं, गोल क्या, एक बताओ ना, क्या गोल हो सकता है? तो लेट्स से यू आर गोइंग टू ए मार्केटिंग सेल्स टारगेट्स. अच्छा, सेल्स टारगेट के लिए फिर क्या कहेंगे? आपके चार्टर में लिखा हुआ है इतना सेलिंग करनी है आपने, क्या मांगेंगे? वो अमाउंट दे दिया, 50 लाख का करना है, तो आपको कुछ नहीं चाहिए. Yes. So then you start finding out as to what are the requirements to achieve that goal. You can even discuss with your people what is the possibility of achieving that goal, but that may not be in your thing. जैसे ही आपने बोल दिया कि नहीं ये तो आपने थोड़ा ज़्यादा रखा हुआ है, बोलेगा we will find somebody else. आजकल इलेक्ट्रिशियन बहुत ज़्यादा है कि नहीं? तो you have to start working on whatever is told. So that is the expectation of any organization or the people who are appointing you. What is the next accountability? एक जो मैंने कहा था ना, बेसिक से शुरू करिए, वो आपने शुरू नहीं किया अभी. ये सारा आप सीधे मैनेजर में चले गए. बेसिक अकाउंटेबिलिटी स्टार्ट्स फ्रॉम
सर लायबिलिटी एंड एक्सपेक्टेशंस.
लायबिलिटी एक्सप्लेन, थोड़ा सा एक्सप्लेन करें.
सर इन अकाउंट्स वी as an accountability we expect from the organization its structure like that they will earn profit in future.
अकाउंटेबिलिटी ऑर्गेनाइजेशन की थोड़ी होती है, तो आपकी होगी.
Sir, whatever the goals we are expecting from us to achieve it.
हाँ, लेकिन अकाउंटेबिलिटी में बेसिक क्या है? पहले सबसे पहले क्या है? Yes, but then you applied for it. So क्या ऐसे ही कर दिया था? तो क्या बोलेंगे? नहीं ये रोल मेरे को पसंद नहीं है. डोर. How you will know that unless you perform? पहले दिन तो नहीं पता लग जाएगा. Okay, I am coming to the basic now. Basic is, first is punctuality. Nobody thought of it. क्या punctuality क्या होती है? कितने बजे का स्कूल आता है आपका क्लास? How many come at 9:10? 50% only. only 40%. How many come at 9:15? 9:15 पे कौन आते हैं? आप लोग इंटरेक्ट नहीं कर रहे हैं, मैं बंद कर दूं? I have no problem. How many come at 9:15? 9:15 पे आप क्लासरूम में पहुंचते हैं कुछ लोग? कितने लोग? मैं कोई मार्क थोड़ी दे रहा हूं आपको. आई एम ओनली ट्राइंग टू फाइंड आउट ए ट्रेंड विच इज एवरीवेयर. हाँ जी बताइए, 9:15 पे कौन आता है? और क्लासरूम खत्म हो जाता है, उसके बाद कौन आता है? ओके, लेट्स हैव ए क्लैप फॉर द पर्सन who comes after the class. So punctuality in your life must, आज से, अभी से, most of you are being told by everybody, your parents, जल्दी उठो, but it doesn't happen. But then when you join an institute or an organization, then they may not tell you to come in time. Nobody tells you, भाई सवेरे सवेरे जल्दी आना है आपको 9 साढ़े 9 से टाइम है. But then in your contract, it's all mentioned there. The office timing is so and so. But if you join, fortunately or unfortunately, private sector, which you will, many of you, maybe 90% of you will be in the private sector because they only have the jobs. Government has only 5% of the jobs now, and they are also diminishing. So that they will say 9:30 to 5:30, but maybe they have not said AM or PM or the night. So you might be staying even much beyond. Even if you don't stay, the thought of your achieving the goal will stand here, and you may not get sleeps. So first and foremost in your life, not only for your organization, this will change the entire course of your life if you are punctual in everything. So what you will do to be punctual? Strategy. टाइम मैनेजमेंट बहुत बड़ा सब्जेक्ट है. इस पर्टिकुलर चीज के लिए क्या करेंगे? स्लीप अर्ली. वो काम तो लास्ट वाला नहीं, स्लीप नहीं करने देगा. Still you have to get up. Okay, so you have a reasonable time that I take about say 1 hour to get ready. So you have to give 1 hour and 15 minutes. That's time management. Because when you start from your house, you are not going to get the roads for you only. The roads are there for the entire mass. But you must be there before 10 minutes, not 5. In Delhi now, you should reach half an hour before, because there could be a aap dharna. Dharna by aap. And that's also a justified way in democracy. You cannot say dharne pe kyun baithe hain. And I heard, you also must have heard in the bus, no? The two young people are sitting, same age. देखा था ना वो? तो one man says, हाँ बिल्कुल ठीक कर रहे हैं जी ये. उसी के साथ दूसरे ने पूछा, कहता नहीं ये ठीक नहीं कर रहे हैं. So that's 50-50. Everybody is not with your thought. Similarly, everybody is not in your thought also. They are there. But then as a organization man, you cannot have excuses for everything. चाहे कुछ भी हो, आपको समय पहुंचना है. So just keep this, because I am giving little 5 minutes or 2 minutes to this, is I have a reason for it. Because most of us, or a human being, is a lazy creation of the God. Agree? We want to just finish our work somehow and then go to our golfing or playing tennis or reading the comic or whatever it is. But in organizations, that will have to be put off. As it is, when the sales targets are given to you or the goals are given to you, you may not have time. But even there, once you are about 3 months or 6 months in the job, then you start thinking, no, I am very strong. So you say, I can, hoodwink the bosses and take some leisure out. That will not go positively with you, with any organization, because those people also they also done same things. So they are aware that what all we will be doing. So we have talked about accountability, but main thing which I want you to be accountable is for your time. Goals will in any case come, because without that nobody is going to keep you in the job. But one thing that I am saying, which I see in my office, you also see in many government offices or even private sector offices, the people are not punctual. Sometimes we see 10:30 हमारे ऑफिसों में, and I have no hesitation in saying, because ultimately we are all part of the whole society. Because in India there is no concern for time. Agree? आप सब अपने अपने में सोचें कि हम भी कितना टाइम वेस्ट करते हैं. उसको थोड़ा सा वेस्ट की बजाय आप उसको यूटिलाइज करने में लगा दें. Even if you have no job, reach before time. It will help you a lot, and you will see that you have lot of time to do things. Many times people used to ask me, why you are burning yourself after working in the office. You are painting. Just I'm giving a life example. Not that I am example worthy, but whatever I have faced or I have done, I am just sharing with you. I said, no, if you are given 24 hours, I also have the same. I am able to do all my job in a better way, not best way maybe, but it's reasonably better than many people average, or even above average is better. I have time to do all that. But that time is mine. If I have some other thing, I will not do this painting. So time management is also a part of your punctuality. If you are punctual for everything, you have a lot of time. And you can adjust between that. Okay, one day you may not do this, you will do the other thing. But please, for God's sake, I am again and again telling, because India is suffering because of this bimari. You don't join the bimari. Many of you will still feel it's our time, so we can waste it. Okay. Now let's come to the other areas. These are the basically futuristic. So leadership. Who is a leader? There are 2 classes here. How many classes are there? Mix I know, but how many classes? 4 sections. You have 4 sections. You know that? 4 sections के जो leader है वो खड़े हो जाएं जरा. 4 sections के पढ़ने वाले हैं ना आप, BBA, MBA and things like that, 4 semester, 2nd semester. तो लीडर 4 मुझे चाहिए, 4 आदमी खड़े हो, और मतलब women are also included. Good. Only one leader up till now. 3rd, 4th. You are also leader. You are also the leader. Okay, no problem. You can be. So, okay, I'll ask you, what is leadership? मैं भी learn कर रहा हूँ. Don't believe. Leave this. ये जो पहले है ना, आप भूमिका बनाते हैं, छोड़ दीजिए. मैनेजमेंट में rhetoric should be removed. You are getting me? Rhetoric. Okay.
Having sufficient knowledge to do your work properly and to be able to guide your subordinates in the right direction.
Very good. Fantastic. Give a clap. Yes.
Being able to guide our peer group or the people whom we are supposed to control. Not control exactly, but just guide them that how things are done.
Okay, that's leadership. Okay. Good. Clap कर दीजिए, इनका सबके लिए clap करते हैं. किसी ने खराब भी बताया हो तो भी clap करते रहना. हाँ जी. Guide, okay.
So one should have the quality to lead the team in such a way that they all should support you, and you have such capability that you can fulfill their requirements.
Fantastic, very good. He has brought the thing. You should create something that, okay. You all added to that. Anybody else? Okay. To lead from the front. How? What is the leading from front?
So that means if
खड़े हो जाइए. ये लीडर हैं, अभी लीडर पैदा हो रहे हैं. So what is leading from the front? He will give you explanation. Please explain. उनको वो दे दीजिए जरा.
for example,
Leading from the front. You are going to get the prescription. Okay. By the time we can hear you more. How many types of leadership you have studied?
Types.
कैसे, कौन कौन? Autocratic. So what kind of leader you are? Which category you put yourself? Supportive. ये नई leadership है. मतलब you are leading from the behind, from down. Okay, good. Democratic में क्या होता है?
democratic में मतलब I do not throw myself,
आप पार्टी डेमोक्रेसी.
but I support Arvind Kejriwal.
से आपके सब कुछ अपने आप ही आ रहा है. I have not asked you. I said democratic leadership क्या है?
Democratic means
That was only an example I was giving you. Is that democracy, or you have any other democracy in your mind?
that I invite other people's views and think whether they are saying right or wrong and then decide rather than throwing that what I am saying is right and you have to follow it.
He's doing a wonderful job, so I'm not opposing him. Okay, I'm only trying to bring out the leadership issues. नहीं तो बाहर जाके पकड़ लेंगे. आपने ऐसे क्यों बोल दिया? So democratic. Okay, then you.
I am being autocratic now, but I'm trying.
क्या बात है? Can you imagine? Please give a clap again for her. A lady telling I am autocratic. कभी मानते नहीं है वो, होती हैं. She is the first in the whole India to say that I was autocratic.
Had I would have said that I am democratic, all of them would have got up and been on me. Ki nahi, you are autocratic.
So you are afraid of them.
No, I'm not afraid of them, but that's the truth.
So leadership quality is not to be afraid of anyone.
I am not afraid of them.
Just I'm trying to bring out few things, okay? So don't be afraid of them. Afraid होके नहीं बोलना है कि मैं leadership वो autocratic नहीं हूँ.
Imposing what I want on them.
हाँ.
Like if I have been given some responsibilities, then I believe that I have to complete it by tomorrow.
कहीं इनके इधर उधर डंडा उंडा तो नहीं है? Once she is given the responsibility, she will see to it that everybody does it. Good, I am happy. Good. बट डेमोक्रेटिक लीडरशिप में कुछ चलता नहीं है एक्चुअली. हर एक आदमी अपनी अपनी बात कहता है, फिर आप क्या करते हो? नहीं, सबको साथ एक्चुअली सब साथ चलना नहीं चाहते ना. सी यू शुड नो, इवन इन द ऑफिस वेयर एवरीबडी हैज साइंड द जॉइनिंग declaration that I will do this, there also people will find different.
If you are not democratic, won't you be mistaken for being a tyrant?
No, I'm not saying. I'm saying that too much of democratic allowance is also not possible. You agree or no? Too much of democracy, is too much of democracy. जो मर्जी किसी को गाली दे देता है, हमको भी गाली देता है कोई. बाहर जाके हमको बोलता है दिनेश कुमार साहब बहुत अच्छे हैं, बाहर बोलता है तो बेवकूफ आदमी बैठा अंदर. It's not that kind of democracy we want. We want the democracy of positive and considered opinions, of positivism, of contributing, not making divergent, feeling that some other will do it, why I should do it. I'm not supposed to contribute so much. I have done more work than the other two colleagues. That's not democracy. Democracy means positive contribution. That's what my definition is. But you will not find. What I'm trying to come to conclusion is that not conclusion, but as a one point, is that you will never find everybody coming to you even when you are in office atmosphere where everybody has to contribute to you. So then you have to find out the behavioral aspects of the people, right? So उनको फिर connect करके how to get over this negativity. I am not saying negativity in that side. Why is not agreeing to my, yeah, exactly. So human behavior will come in to that effect. Okay, आप बैठ जाइए अभी. I think enough. So there are 4 kind of leadership, but now another kind of leadership is developing, is supportive. She said it's a good thing, and also the benevolent leadership. So the benevolent leadership is nothing but maybe an offshoot of democratic leadership, because there you feel that taking care of your people who are with you, or giving them something which you within your powers, will motivate them. But that is also changing, because it may not motivate everybody with that, because the people's requirements will be different. Even in your office, you are not probably having everything in your hand to give everything to people and they will be motivated. But benevolent leadership is coming, that I work like your mother or father and provide you everything, and even if you do something wrong, still I sort of say अच्छा ठीक है, इस बार आपने गलती कर दिया है. But then there are some areas of work where the galti is very costly. So as a manager you can't afford to do that. But then what is the take? Take is that I have to use different types of. You have to be autocratic sometime, like this. What's your name? Autocratic. I'll remember your name. Swati. सुहानी. ये क्या बात नाम है? नाम सुहानी और दे दी कुर्बानी. Okay, very good. व्हाट इज विजन? विजन विजन, ये 4 लीडर फिर खड़े हो जाएं, आज इनकी बात लगेगी। 4 लीडर फिर खड़े हो जाएं। सो ए लीडर हैज टू हैव विजन और नो?
Yes, sir.
क्या विजन होना चाहिए?
That now I am here and I want to reach somewhere else. I am having a dream, a concept that I have these many resources and skills and talents, and I want to utilize them efficiently to reach there or to.
ओके, हियर मैम। लीडर की आवाज भी थोड़ी सी बुलंद होनी चाहिए, थोड़ा इंप्रूव करिए। आपको बुरा तो नहीं लगा ना? ये यही तो क्वालिटीज आपको लानी है। सी वी आर, आई एम जस्ट ट्राइंग टू मेक इट इन अ वेरी सटल वे।
Sir, it is a basic aim, vision.
माइक थोड़ा सा आगे कर लें, आपके बोलने के लिए दिया है। हाँ,
The aim we want to achieve in our life.
aim in our life, okay, vision. And for the corporation what you will do, what area you have that you will?
Management.
हाँ, जो वहाँ पे गोल है वहाँ पे भी आपको 10 साल के बाद का भी पता होना चाहिए कहाँ जा रहे हैं हम। आपको पता होना चाहिए कि 10 साल बाद आप क्या करेंगे
CS.
and what your organization will do.
CS.
I know you are doing so. ठीक है, clap for her. Okay, last.
Considering the present scenario, look into the future perspective also. This should be the vision of a leader.
Mike दो जरा।
Sir, considering the present scenario, we should we should see into the future perspective to establish ourselves for the growth of organization also, and for the betterment of our team members also.
Okay,
That should be the vision of a leader.
right. Suhani. Now the autocratic vision.
A vision is something that a vision is something that directs us of where in which direction we need to move. It helps us that to decide what we need to do, and it is something that shows us the end result of where we want to be
And
in the future.
It will be affected by what? Your vision will
It
be
will be
affected
affected by the economy or by the society in which we are living, by the situations which we are dealing with.
Suppose a IR problem comes, will that affect your vision?
Sorry, sir.
IR, industrial relation problem comes in your factory, will your vision change?
Sir, no, the vision won't change, but the way in which we handle the situations might change.
Why it will not change?
What the vision? Why won't the vision change?
Yeah.
Sir, because
आपके
if
मारुति सुजुकी का एग्जांपल लीजिए ना आप,
sir, अगर हम
उनका विजन चेंज नहीं हुआ, उन्होंने बोला हम तो वहाँ लगाएंगे, मोदी के पास लगाएंगे।
sir, but if the vision changes, then with time everything is changing. The vision keeps changing. We would reach nowhere.
Okay. Any agreements? This leader, you agree? So we'll keep the vision same all the time. Huh?
Steve Jobs, sir, the basic example. He had the vision of.
Good. He's got a good voice. Huh? Yeah.
He had a great vision that he would the company Apple will stand as the most greatest.
Yeah.
Most greatest,
Yes.
mobile manufacturer of all over the world.
Yeah. And he has been able to achieve it.
It is the vision, but the example that you took of Maruti Suzuki, their plan changed, but their desire to be the #1 company for manufacturing of cars is their vision. And
Okay. So vision is something further than the normal things. Okay. Agree.
vision,
I think clap for him. He has been able to sustain.
vision is basically the zenith. It is the zenith into your mind. It is
Okay.
the zenith, the point of zenith into your mind.
अगर आपका विजन और आपके जो टॉप मैन है उसका विजन डिफरेंट होगा तो क्या करोगे आप?
सर, अगर मैं अपनी ही कंपनी खोल रहा हूँ
वो अलग है,
तो
बट
मैं
सिंस यू आर
अपना
वर्किंग,
vision अलग रखूंगा।
ठीक है,
अगर
बट
मैं एक मैनेजर किसी के अंडर काम कर रहा हूँ तो मेरा विजन ये हुआ कि मैं बाकी सब मैनेजर से सबसे बेस्ट काम करूँ जिससे मैं ऊपर पहुँचूँ।
फैंटास्टिक।
ऊपर पहुँचूँ। मेरा ये विजन नहीं होगा
आई एम वेरी
कि मैं
हैप्पी।
कैसे क्या अचीव करूँ।
Let me praise all of you. You people have shown really excellent, the upcoming ideas and things. So one clap from me to you. ओके नेक्स्ट, सब हो गए? वो एक खड़े ना हमारे चलाने वाले, उनको ही बोलना चाहिए ना, अदरवाइज बोलेंगे हमसे पूछा ही नहीं।
Sir, as per me, vision includes to foresee things. I mean, to you are a leader and you are unaware of situations that may come, but you have to have a little analytical mind about what you can expect and preparing yourself to handle such situations.
Yes, vision is that I know my road, where this road leads to, and that's my destination. तो बेसिकली बीच में सारी चीज़ें ख़त्म करके आपको ये बनाना है रोड मैप, मुझे ये कंपनी 10 साल तक ऐसे चलानी है, 10 से 20 साल तक टेक्नोलॉजी चेंज होगी, फलाना होगा, टिकाना, इज अ लार्जर विजन. It will not address many of the short term things or medium term things, but it will be always going with the long term things. Maybe if you are dealing in a petroleum product, so you have to foresee whether the fossil fuel will be there after 50 years or not. Okay, so you have to say, okay, then I will change to biofuel or I will change to something else. So that is the kind of thing. It is the destination and present position. So that is the vision as far as I learnt up till now, and whatever you also said. When I talked about the IR, one example I wanted to give you of Kolkata. In 1972, till that time, Kolkata airport, I'm not talking about city, Kolkata airport used to be the busiest airport in the India. Kolkata is a place where the East India Company started first. तो वो बहुत ही अच्छा शहर था, और 72 में IR ने उसको इतना तंग कर दिया कि जितनी भी सबसे बड़ी बड़ी इंडस्ट्री वहीं थी, जूट की इंडस्ट्री वहीं पर, स्टील की इंडस्ट्री वहीं पर ही, दुनिया भर की इंडस्ट्री कलकत्ता में थी, अभी भी हैं, एवरीथिंग वाज देयर.